Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will build an employee profile generator. Step 1. Create first name variable John and last name variable Doe and print them in console. Step 2. Create full name variable and concatenate first name and last name. Step 3. Add space between first name and last name in a full name variable. Step 4. Create address variable and add the string 123 Main Street and print it in the console. Step 5. Use additional assignment operator to add string apartment 4B to address variable. Step 6. Remove all the print statements. Step 7. Create employee age variable and assign it to the integer 28. Step 8. Create employee info variable and assign it to the concatenation of full name plus space is space. Step 9. Modify employee info variable by assigning employee age to the end of this variable. Step 10. Convert employee age to the string by using string function. Step 11. Modify employee info variable one more time by adding space years old to the end of this variable and print employee info to the console. Step 12. Create variable experience years and assign it to the integer 5. Then create variable experience info and assign it to the string experience space experience years, converting to the strings by using str function and concatenate years in the end of this variable and print it to the console. Step 13. Using f string syntaxes, create employee card variable and assign it to the string employee column space full name in the curly brackets. Step 14. Modify employee card variable by adding age information to the end of the string. Step 15. Create position and salary variables with their values, update employee card variable, and print employee card to the console. Don't forget to put position and salary on the top of the employee card. Step 16. Define employee code variable and then department variable with value employee code squared brackets 0 colon 3 and print department to the console. Step 17. Create year code variable and assign it to the employee code square brackets 4 column 8 initials variable employee code square brackets 9 column 11 print year code and initials. Step 18. Create last 3 variable and assign it to the employee code square brackets -3 column and print it to the console. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.